Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to another interesting video. In this video I'm going to discuss about ratio, and later on I will solve some question on this topic. So the definition of ratio is a comparison between two or more quantities of the same kind. If A, B are two quantities of the same unit, then the ratio between them can be shown as A ratio B, or it is read as A to B, or we can say A ratio B. So similarly, if we have more than two quantities like A, B, C, so their ratio will be A ratio B ratio C. And similarly, if we have more than three quantities of same unit A, B, C, and D, so their ratio will be A into B, and we can say C ratio D. Also, we can write the ratio in a fraction form, like if we have A ratio B, so we can write in a fraction form like A divided by B. So this is the fraction form of ratio. Now we have question which is write the following ratio in simplified form. So here we are given 4 ratio 12. So if you want to write their simplified form, so first we have to write 4 ratio 3 in a fraction form. Now if you divide both sides by 4, so from here 4 cancel with 4, I mean both numerator and denominator. So from numerator we get 1. If we multiply 4 divided by 4 divided by 4, so we get 1. And if we divide 12 by 4, so we get 3. So this is the simplified form. If we want to write in a ratio, so it become 1 ratio 3. Another one is 30 ratio 10. So if you want to write this in a fraction form, so if we divide both sides by 10, so we get 3 ratio 1, 3 divided by 1. And if you want to write this in a ratio form, so here we get 3 ratio 1. Now the last one is 25 ratio 15. So we can divide simply here by 5 and 5 here as well. So if we divide 25 by 5, we get 5, because 5 into 5 is 25. And if we divide 15 by 5, we get 3. So the required simplified form of 25 15 is 5 3. So simply we can do by this method, or if we change it into fraction form and then simplify and then again write in a fraction in a ratio form. So this is the required simplified form of the given ratios. Now we have one more question. Convert the following ratios in the form of 1 ratio n. So here we have to simplify the given ratio into 1 ratio n. N can be any number. So here we are given 10 ratio 40. This is question number 1. So if we divide both sides by 10, so we get 1 ratio 4. and this is the required answer for the given question, because here we are asked to just to simplify the given ratio into 1 ratio n can be any number, so here we get 1 ratio 4, and the another one is 15 ratio 10. So if we divide both sides by 15, from here we get 1, which is the required answer. So 1 ratio, if we divide by 5 we get 2, and here 3, so here we get 2 divided by 3, and this is the required